Activate motor by holding the up and down buttons at the same time for 1 second. Motor response, 1 jog. Note, if direction does not align with up and down buttons, press and hold down the My button for 5 seconds until the motor jogs up and down once. If working correctly, no need to switch. Press the down button to set the shade to desired position. Press the My button to stop shade. Tap the down button for fine tuning. To confirm the position, press the My and Up buttons at the same time. Once confirmed, shade will start rolling up. Press the My button to stop shade. Tap the Up button for fine tuning. To confirm the position, press the My and Down buttons at the same time. Once confirmed, shade will start rolling down. To confirm the upper and lower limits, hold the My buttons for 2 seconds and motor will jog once. Program complete.